A client communicates through their portal by going to the process menu, communications, and you can see at the top we have add a cleaning issue where the client would raise a complaint or issue. That would go directly to the cleaner's portal and the cleaner's app. It would also go to your portal where it can be acted upon to be rectified, and then the client would get that information back through into their portal. As you can see here, the status of these complaints noted below in these samples is closed, and there's an open cleaning issue that hasn't been rectified as yet. So your client will be able to see that in their portal. If it's simply a request for work to be done, the client would go to the Add Other tab. They would request the work to be done. If it's multiple contract sites, then they would select the appropriate contract number. They'd select the date that they requested the information, and if there was a photo of the area or specific to the job that they wanted done, then they can add a photo in that choose file section. As soon as they press save, it will then immediately go into your portal. If you have a look at the dashboard, you'll see at the very top there will be the number of communications. Clicking on that takes you down to the dashboard page, and you can see that on the 26th of the 11th there was one new complaint came back this month. You can drill down, have a look at the communication, and you can read exactly the information that of the work that they wanted done. Upon receiving that, you would then go into Process, Accounts, One-Off Jobs, and then click on Add New. You'd select the company and the appropriate branch, if it is a branch, for instance, or the address of the place that is to be cleaned. Select that it is approved, the estimated value of the contract, and you would then put in the work that's to be done. Now this area here is specifically for your accounts and for their invoicing. So you could make notes if you wanted to. That your client won't see, but basically information directly to your accounts. The actual work is placed in two areas. One is in this description for the cleaner and client portal. So this will go into the cleaner and client portals as a record of the work being done if you select Notify the Client and Notify the Cleaner from those checkboxes. You would also put the work into the service area, this area below the cleaner's details for submission to portal and phone app. That basically will then send those details that you place in this area directly to the cleaner's portal and phone app, and this will be the location that the work is to be done, who the cleaner is that you're selecting to do the work, how long you think it will take to do, and how much the cleaner will actually get to do the job. If there are multiple cleaners doing the work, you can just simply select Add Other, select the cleaner, select the work, select if it's, for instance, someone just doing the steam cleaning, you can select another cleaner for that particular work. As soon as you press save, then that information will go, because we've selected Notify Cleaner and Notify Client, directly into the cleaner's phone app and portal, and your client will then again have a record of that one-off job in their portal that you have raised, and that would provide them with confirmation that the work is going to be done, and that they would just get the information that you placed showing the work to be done, and the fundamental details. The Cleaners Portal will get very much the same detail, and including the amount of time they'll get to complete the work.